To do manual motion tracking inside Davinci Resolve 17, you need a clip on the timeline, let's see that one, and a shape. In this case it's an arrow. Okay, so first of all, position the playhead where you want that arrow to show up. Let's say somewhere there where the lens of that camera is expanding, so move that one there. Okay, the arrow is too big, so we need to adjust that one also. Come here to Inspector, and on the Video tab, at Transform. By the way, you can click on these to open them and close them. On the Transform, we have Zoom. And with the shape selected, click on it, drag the number of that zoom and make it smaller, like so. Now let's adjust the position also of that one. I will move it to the right by dragging the number and move it up, and also rotation angle. Drag that one to rotate it. At the first part of that arrow, let's position exactly the tip of that one to the center of the lens. So to the left and up there. Okay, and let's also remember the position of that arrow by clicking on the position line on that keyframe, that rhombus sign. When it's red, it's remembering the position of that shape. Since we clicked on that rhombus sign, another rhombus is here. If we click on that one, then it's showing the keyframe which we just created. Let's zoom in a little bit out and scroll up. To pan it, push down the scroll wheel. Now let's go forward. Snapping is enabled, so uncheck snapping. Let's go forward somewhere, let's say there, and notice the position is not good, so let's just adjust it to the right and up. Move a little bit forward. Every time you adjust the position of that one, another keyframe is added here, and we need to adjust it again. And in this way you can do manual motion tracking inside this program. And in a nutshell, that's about it. So let's just make a few adjustments until we reach the end of that shape of that arrow, and it will be done. We can further adjust the movement of that arrow by adding ease in and ease out, and I will show that one. So since I want to go exactly to the end, I want to enable the snapping, and it goes there, but press the left arrow to go one frame back. Okay, and there I can still see the arrow and adjust it. Okay, now if I go here to this wave line, then we can see the ease in and ease out things. Let's apply the ease in or ease out to all of them. So first click on a keyframe, and now press Ctrl A to select all of the keyframes. Once again, so click on a keyframe, Ctrl A, and it's not selecting all of them. I selected another one, now it's selecting all of them. Okay, so I think ease in is this one. Let's select that one. If I right click here into this black area, it says linear. Okay, but if I select just one, it says ease in. If I select another one, also ease in. Okay, so ease in was added. If I click on it, Ctrl A, let's try that one. Deselect and right click, ease in and out. Okay, so that's even nicer. So let's preview what will happen. I will also mute it. Let's go there and press the play button. The arrow is not shown, the arrow shows up, and this shape is following the extending lens of that camera, and then it disappears. So that's how to do manual motion tracking inside this program. Okay, if you want to jump from one keyframe to the other, then you can use these two. So that goes to the left, and the other one goes to the right. If you want to delete the keyframes, click on one of them, and delete is not available, but when it's selected you can press delete. Or if you go to the next keyframe, let's see that one, since it's exactly on a keyframe and it's red, you can click on that red and it's also deleting a keyframe. But the more keyframes you add and adjust the position of that one, the smoother the movement of that shape on the screen.